Peppa, George, come here quick.
What's it now, Daddy?
We're going to buy a new microwave today, and we need your help to lift it to the car. Come on, let's go. Where could they be?
I don't know, Daddy Pig. Wait, there's a bunch of them over there.
There we go! I got one.
I've got it. Let's go home. Okay, here's our new microwave. Shall we put something in it now?
No, well, okay, let's put some mash in it.
I'm going to throw George in it.
Peppa Pig, how dare you? How dare you put your little brother George in a microwave? The new microwave. That's it. You are grounded for 800-1615101-700-177777766 years. Go to your room now. And you're never, ever, ever, ever allowed to use the microwave again.
Whee!